The trade battle continues between the U.S. and China as both countries impose higher tariffs. Meanwhile, U.S. stocks jumped today during another manic day on Wall Street. At the closing bell, the Dow gained 619 points, the Nasdaq added 337, and the S&P 500 was up 95 points. But again, overall, stocks are still down after last week's sell-off. The back-and-forth tariff war is creating more concern about the U.S. economy. Fox's Connor Hansen has the latest.
After President Trump raised tariffs on China to 145%, China responded Friday with its own 125% tariffs on the U.S. China insists it will continue to fight, calling Washington's escalating tariffs a joke. The White House says it's not backing down.
The president made it very clear when the United States is punched, he will punch back harder, and he hopes to make a deal that benefits the American worker and our companies that have been ripped off for far too long.
The changing tariffs have sent the markets up and down throughout the week.
62% of Americans have now invested in the equity markets. This huge volatility, it impacts Main Street.
The leader of one of the world's largest hedge funds says an economic downturn is still possible.
But I do believe in the short run that we're going to have rising inflation, and we have a potential of having a short-term recession.
Meanwhile, the White House says the tariffs are working, bringing dozens of countries to the table. One of the EU's economic leaders says they are ready to work out a deal.
We're ready to negotiate a mutually acceptable outcome while defending our economic interests.
The White House says it already has more than 15 offers from different countries and hopes to have the first deal done within weeks. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox News.
Coming up, this